Hello everyone in cyber world, welcome back to another video. I'm Richard.
And I'm Jennifer, and this is our channel we call Poor Man's DIY.
This week we finish up this little series. We will be building our shadow box slash display case for a 3D origami motorcycle. So we really wanted to put some effort into making a really nice display case for our friend for his retirement. We've incorporated some techniques that we have tested out over the years in our channel to include glass etching, photo transfers onto wood, and the one key feature for this particular display case is that you can disassemble it, pack it up easily, and then reassemble it if you decide that you have to move somewhere else, because we don't know where he's going to be next year. So let's take a look at what we have to do.
Now on with the video. We begin by cutting slots into the wood to fit the glass later.
Here we are actually only gluing 3 of the sides together so that we can add the glass plane, and then we're going to add the final slot of wood and glue it all together.
We're going to paint the case black, but first we're going to use some primer. After painting it black, we're using polyurethane.
And now for the really fun part, attempting to learn how to cut glass on our own. I made numerous mistakes and shattered quite a few sheets of glass, but we finally got it done right. One of the original ideas for this project was to create a artificial meritorious service medal. Since we weren't able to do that, we decided to incorporate that onto the glass itself using an etching process that we've done before. But before we do that, we had to come up with the design. We found an image on the internet and we traced it out so that we can make it into a stencil and then transfer that onto the glass, and here's how we did it.
Next, we use our Cricut to create a stencil out of vinyl. We applied the stencils onto the glass.
Once the stencil was on, we applied etching cream. So for the last part of this design, we were inspired by Japanese and doll cases and what they have in them. Commonly on any doll case with a doll or any other display, they often put a little piece of wood that has a title of what that item is. And so we wanted to go with something like that, and instead of a title though, we decided to transfer an image of one of the motorcycle pictures that we were able to obtain, put it onto wood, and then add that into the case itself, and here's how we did that.
We produced multiple pictures to see which one we would like the best. And now for the final assembly of the case.
As I mentioned before, one of the key features on this case is that it can be disassembled. Now, in theory, the parts can go into any other part in any other corner and it should fit fine, but I found that certain pieces fit much better in certain areas. So I color-coded the holes and the wood so that it'd be easily reassembled.
Chris, we really hope you enjoyed your gift, and thank you so much for your service. And
in the words that you always say, yo mama. So until we meet again, bye-bye.